It's really welcoming to see PISA coming to our country, to our India, and I must reach out to all the schools in the country to take the advantage of it and increase our benchmarking prepositions, increase our quality. We are the best in the global map, and that should be our aim.
I came with a curious mind that let me understand what exactly PISA offers. Today, I could know all the dimensions it covers. It covers the academic dimension, child's knowledge and skill, management perspective, as well as the overall performance of the institution.
I wonder why we've not had PISA for schools for so many years. Today, in the age of globalization, it's time for our schools to be globally competitive. And I think PISA for schools would be a great benchmark for our schools and our country to showcase the great potential which our students have, the capabilities of our teachers and school as a whole.
When children go out, they need to be well-rounded personalities, ready to take on the challenges in life. And I'm sure with the feedback that we get from the assessment, we will know where the gaps are and fill it up, so that we always look at what we were, where we are, and how we go forward.